Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, today we're going to be talking about snap pads. Since we're already at the RV park and we're on a level paved surface, we're going to install our snap pads because that's what the instructions say. You have to be on a level surface, have to be paved. This is a snap pad. These are snap pad extra, and they come in a set of 6 for about 150 bucks, depending on where you get them. We got them from the snap pad website. If you want to get them, we'll put a link below if you want to check those out. What we did was we just put in our make and model of our RV and hit submit. They sent us an email back, let us know what kind of snap pads to get, and we had to get 6 because we have 6 leveling jacks. So when this arm comes down, those pads will snap right onto here, and then that will eliminate us having to have these things here. We'll still keep these because if we're in an area that you have to get more elevation that's not exactly level, we can still stack those underneath the level. Even if it has the jack, even if it has the snap pad on it, we can still put those under there to give it some more height. We're gonna give it a try, see what happens. Now the instructions say you have to be hooked up to the truck, obviously, and you have to do the front jacks first. So it also helps if you put a little bit of a dishwashing liquid on the snap pads. That way when they go in, it'll be smooth, they'll snap right in. Once you do that, you're good, they'll stay on forever and ever. I know you gotta lube it up a little bit, nice and slippery, and then we're gonna pop them in.
Yeah.
Well, we're back out where we're storing the RV, so I wanted to show you guys the snap pads are installed, and now they're on kind of like a not totally on level, but not totally level space and gravel and dirt. So I wanted to show you what it looks like with them installed. And these things are made out of like a recycled tire, so they look super sturdy, and they snapped on really easy once we put the dishwashing liquid in there. Snapped them in, dried right up after that, and they went right up with the levelers, and still all there when we got here, so it looks like they're going to stay on. And so hopefully these will protect our leveling jacks for a long time, and it'll alleviate having to use the little plastic things that you have to slide in and out and positioning them all the time. With snap pads, they just stay installed all the time, so they just stay on there. And a couple $100 ish, I think it was like $189 or something at snap pads. But like I said, we'll put a description in case you want to get your snap pads. Put your info in there. It'll send them an email. They'll let you know which model of snap pads that you have to buy to fit your particular RV. But so far we like them. If we have any problems out of them, we'll let you know, but I don't foresee it. They look pretty sturdy and super easy to install. So thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.